Good morning to all. In this video, we are going to see and derive EMF equation of DC generator. For this, some terms need to be defined. Before we derive, first let some terms, that is phi equal to number of pole in generator. Phi is flux produced by each pole, that is in Weber. N is speed of armature, that is in RPM. Z is total number of conductor in armature. A is number of parallel path in which conductors are distributed. So here we discuss P equal to number of pole of generator. Phi is flux produced by each pole in Weber. N is speed of armature in RPM, and Z total number of conductor in armature, and A is number of parallel path in which conductors are distributed. So now EMF induced in armature conductor is given electromagnetic induction. So E is nothing but E is equal to rate of cutting the flux. E equal to rate of cutting the flux. So E equal to d phi by dt. Now let's derive EMF equation taking as per Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction. Total flux equal to flux produced by each pole multiplied by number of poles. That is total flux phi equal to flux produced by each pole, that is phi, number of pole, that is P. Now time taken to complete one revolution, nothing but a time period. So time require for conductor to complete one revolution, that is 60 by n. So substitute this over, where I will get EMF E equal to phi P by 60 by n, that is phi P n by 60. This is EMF for one conductor. So total number of conductor is Z. EMF induced here, Z number of conductors arranged A number of parallel paths. So here total number of parallel path assume A. So Z conductors are distributed in a parallel path. So effectively Z by A conductors need to be multiply with EMF induced in one conductor, that is E equal to Z by A into phi Pn by 60, that is finally E equal to P phi Zn by 60A. That is genuine equation of DC generator. If it is lap winding, then E equal to P phi Zn by 60A. Here in lap winding, P equal to A. So P and A cancel. So that is in lap winding, E equal to phi Zn by 60. And in wave binding, A equal to 2. We know EMF E equal to P phi Zn by 60 and A in wave binding is 2. So EMF E equal to P phi Zn by 120 for wave binding. Thank you.